swear. Stop, Ryan. Stop.
He's hiding behind me.
Stop. You get too loud.
Oh gosh.
What are you doing?
You know that was there.
No. Nice
You ruined
job.
your controller. Oh gosh.
You're done.
All bad.
There.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Look at all those controller parts.
Want an X button?
It's an X button. What the heck is that? What was that? What did you just eat? What'd you eat? What did you just eat? You just ate something from your controller. What did you just eat? What the heck would you eat from a controller, Ryan?